We are going to start burning things now. We're doing this in 3 stages, okay? We are going to turn the notch up in 3 levels. Now, we're just going to do a basic test, which has been done before, we know, but I want to see it here. Where we are going to blowtorch Baggsy's hand with this awesome turbo blanket. And then we're going to go through stages. Stage 2 involves food products, and stage 3 involves Ian's
testicles.
What? So here we have a Funk Motorsport.
Is it time for me to burn Baggsy yet? That's all I want to know.
Yes, it is.
Ready?
Yeah. Are you sure with your fingers creeping around the side?
Yeah, he's getting brave, isn't he?
Confident, isn't I?
He's confident.
Confident he is.
He took a deep breath then.
So,
That's kind of hot in there.
so as you can see, the turbo blanket is already a very reddish colour. Baggsy's not a reddish colour for a change.
I'm kind of nervous.
I'm trying to get it all hot, but it's just.
Do you feel like the vibrations of the flame?
I can't really feel anything, to be honest. I'm trying not to look. You know when you go for like an injection,
Yeah.
and you don't really want to know what's going on.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
You're kind of just holding it.
I can feel
Look
the
at the
heat
glow
from
on
there.
that.
Yeah, the heat is incredible.
That's very impressive.
That is amazing.
Very
That's
good.
amazing. That is stage 1 complete, guys. So this is stage 2 of our test with Funk Motorsport.
Just going to move the paper. Is that all right? Because it's flammable.
Without this, I'm lost.
Pick this
Blowtorch
up
is at
now.
the ready. We have a fine selection of ice creams.
Naked ice creams versus the protected
Yes.
Funk Motorsport ice creams.
So let's see.
All ice creams were donated by Funk Motorsport.
Wow, thanks, guys.
Disclaimer. Disclaimer, they're not special ice creams that don't melt either.
Yeah.
Let the guys do that. Okay, here we go.
I can keep going for a bit if you want.
It's an absolute mess here.
Look at that, look.
Okay.
Just goes to show you, look, I literally
So if we go on there, so wow.
torched that. But now? We're going to do it
Final-
right now? It's just his aim is so bad.
So
I'm not worried about the product, I'm worried about Baggsy's, you know.
So we can't prolong this any longer.
Is
Thanks,
the nappy
guys, in
for
the
when
green
one
room.
does shit?
I mean, listen,
Got to turn slightly towards the camera.
if you burn these jeans,
How are we capturing this?
go down a little bit, that's it. Well, no, not that low, up a bit. Stay there, that's it.
Okay.
How confident are we, Stephen Ryan? Are you ready?
Fuck no.
I feel like we should do a countdown. 3, 2, 1.
My jeans are on fire!
No.
Go back! Oh, it's burning my fingers!
This is happening.
God,
Thank you for watching. It has been
Look,
amazing.
my jeans!
You want? Sorry, I've got you.
Oh, I feel so much better.
Bloody hell.
I've got no hair on my hand anymore.
We should have done a test run with that.
Yeah.
No, we shouldn't have done any test
That
runs.
could be the test run, and then we'll do it again later
Okay.
after a few more beers.